Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet and Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Barnegat Light, Beach Haven, Fort River, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, North Beach Haven and Ship Bottom until 2 a.m. At 1:29 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing a waterspout over Little Egg Inlet, moving northeast at 40 knots. This waterspout will be near over North Beach Haven and 3 nautical miles northwest of Garden State South Reef by 1:40 a.m. 2 nautical miles southeast of Ship Bottom by 1:45 a.m. 2 nautical miles southeast of Harvey Cedars, and 4 nautical miles northwest of Garden State North Reef by 1:50 a.m. 3 nautical miles southeast of Barnegat Light by 1:55 a.m. 7 nautical miles southeast of Fort River by 2 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following marine location: coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.